Hi, boys and girls. We're back practicing with some more part whole. So today's assignment and what we're going to work on today, we're going to use this part whole math. Remember on Monday, in our Monday video, when I was talking about the big circle is our whole and the little circles off of that big circle are always going to be our parts. So we're going to practice with a few examples of this. So here is my whole. And I have to figure out what is my part? What are my parts? I have to figure that out. So my whole, I have one red teddy bear and one orange teddy bear. And I want to break them apart or separate them into our different parts. So I'm going to take one teddy bear, red teddy bear, and put it in one part, and one orange teddy bear and put it in the other. So my two parts, I have one red teddy bear and one orange teddy bear. When I put them together, I have two teddy bears, one red and one orange. So that was an example where we knew the whole and we had to figure out what our different parts were. Let's look at another example. So it's the same math, but what do you notice? What is different about this one? What is different about it? That's right. We don't know the whole. We know the two parts, but we don't know what the whole is. So we have one of our parts are two yellow teddy bears, and the other part is three green teddy bears. So what should be in my whole? What should I put in my whole? Think about that for just a second. What should I put in my whole? That's right. I should have two yellow teddy bears in my whole because that is one of my parts. What else should be in my whole? That's right, three green teddy bears. Good job, boys and girls. Let's do another example. What are we missing here? What do we have to find out here? What are we missing? So that's right, we know our whole, but we don't know our parts. So we have to figure out what our parts are. So in my whole, I have two purple teddy bears and two blue teddy bears. And I need to figure out what my two parts are. So I want you to pause this video and think about what are the two parts? Did you say two blue teddy bears and two purple teddy bears? Good job. So I'm going to drag two blue teddy bears to one part and two purple teddy bears to another. And then when I put my two parts together, I get my whole. Good job. Let's try one more together before you do it all on your own. So here's our last one that we're going to do together. What do you see here? What do you notice? What is missing here? That's right, we're missing the whole. We have to figure out what is our whole. We have our two parts, but we have to figure out what our whole is. So what are our two parts? We have one green teddy bear and four red teddy bears. So what am I going to put in my whole circle? Good job. I'm going to put one green teddy bear and four red teddy bears. Good job, boys and girls. You guys are doing such a great job. So my whole is four red teddy bears and one green teddy bear. Now, if I wanted to count this, if I wanted to use numbers, I could say I have one of my parts is one because I have one teddy bear. So one part is one. What would be my next part? How many teddy bears are in this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So one part is 4. Great job, boys and girls. And so I have one of my parts is 4. The other one is 1. And when we put them together, how many do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my whole is 5. And I want you to keep that in the back of your mind because next week we're going to be working on part whole with numbers. Good job, boys and girls. Now go back to Canvas and show me what you have learned today.